In this video, I'll show you how to link pages in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, from your Squarespace website, what you want to do is simply head over to a text. Now, this could be either a text, an image, or a button. Now, let's say we have here a text box. Now, what you can do to add a link to this text box is to highlight it. Now, once you highlight a text box at the very top, you will see a few options. What you want to do is simply click on the option on the middle, which says link. And in here, what you want to do is simply type / and the name of the page. If you don't know or you're not sure of the name of the page, if you click on the blank space at the bottom, you will see all of the pages that you have. Let's say we want to take them to the products page, then that is something that you could also do. And once you're done, simply click on a random section of your website and it will automatically be added as a hyperlink. Now on preview, if we simply click on this text box, it will automatically link us to another page within our website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.